questions we answered and which questions remains unanswered. This is so just this was more or less the starting point.
This meeting shows that the 6G Research Innovation Cluster has achieved impressive results in the development of 6G technologies. After 4 years of hard work, we have now a better understanding of what key 6G technologies are and what 6G is about. This forms a solid basis to transfer these technologies to industry, society, and to establish a new ecosystem in Berlin and Germany. This is exactly what the 6G Technology Transfer Hub, 6G-RIC, stands for.